I'm Scott,
I'm Kendra.
and this is our 7-day kitchen review in Cotswold in North Carolina. Yeah, so we not only did our entire kitchen, but we also did our laundry room, 2 of our bathrooms. We replaced every door in the house, and we painted, I would say, 60% of the house, including the fireplace. We did built-ins next to each side of the fireplace as well.
It was something we had been contemplating for a while. We've been here 6 years almost now, and we really wanted a more functional space. This is really the center of our home. We have 2 young children.
We have gently thought about, should we buy a new home? Should we move to a bigger space? We love this neighborhood. There are so many families that have young kids here, and we ultimately decided it just made more sense to renovate this house, so we found you guys. I called Barry. Barry came over here and talked to me within a couple of days. When he said, no, we can do this in under 2 weeks. I told Kendra, I was like, all right, you need to meet Barry.
Barry explained, the bread and butter is the kitchen. And so, we have to do that. And then I remember there was a few times we'd say, well, could we do this or could we do this? And I remember he would just say, we can do anything. we can do anything.
Yeah.
And so then we started to get really serious.
Yeah, if we're going to do it, we're going to go all out and make this a brand new home on the inside for the next 10 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we like to entertain, and when we have friends and family over, we found it getting overwhelmed and crowded. Everyone trying to grab a glass or get to the sink or get ice out of the freezer. Now we've pushed all of that to that wet bar laundry room area. So, you go in there and you've got everything you need, and it kind of keeps you out of the kitchen. So much better functionality.
That was actually probably one of my biggest priorities is redoing the laundry room. So.
Yeah.
I love the flow of our kitchen a lot better. The pantry pullouts are awesome for our kids. They can, now instead of climbing up on the shelves, they can just reach right in and pull it out. They added, the bookshelf built in, spice drawer, spice rack rollout, the microwave drawer.
Under counter ice maker.
And then just tons of drawer space, which has been fantastic.
It's the same space, but it feels bigger. Rather than buying a new house, we upgraded this one, and we get to stay in our neighborhood. We have great neighbors and great school. So now it feels like we did get a new house.
Yeah. I was even saying to someone the other day, we haven't even filled all the shelving space we have
it's an overwhelming amount of space.
Which is great, room to grow.